Hey guys, guess what today is? Today is Wetland Day. So excited, so happy, so happy, so happy, so happy. Damien, what day is it?
Wetland Day!
Yeah! Carl, what day is it?
It's your birthday.
Other than that,
It is Wetland Day!
yeah! Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Rea here, Aquascapes of Michiana. Still doing the Coloma project, and actually today is my 34th birthday. And even though I'm away from home and I miss my family, I will tell you guys what, I would not rather be anywhere else than here with the guys that I'm with, building this amazing water feature for a pretty cool client. We are actually on Wetland Day today. We've got enough of the pond actually rocked in, and I'll flip this around and show you guys. Here we are, we got the pond in. We've got it pretty much rocked in all the way. We've got a couple different things. We've got everything up to grade here, so all these rocks right here in front of me, all of that is up to grade, so we got a lot of backfilling to do from over there to over there. We still got to go one more stack up. We got a wetland to put in over there right behind that plate compactor. Right now, we are actually getting our other wetland on the other side done. We actually thought we were going to do it really close to the pond, just like this. That flat rock right there is actually our entrance into the pond. We're going to make a nice stack right back behind it, so that way it's got a nice drop in. And we were actually going to put our wetland in here, but I figured out with the laser level that our elevation was about up to right here as far as the elevation change that we wanted from the wetland to the pond. I mean, that's a dramatic elevation change, and bringing that wetland that close to the pond is actually going to create a lot of difficulties for us as far as naturalizing this area right here. There's our mock-up hole for where we're going to put the wetland, and then right there is grade. So we're going to do a 24-inch change between that rock and that hole right there. This whole area right here is just basically going to be one big vertical stack. It doesn't look natural. It doesn't look normal. You wouldn't be able to look at it and go, yeah, sure, I'd find that in nature. What we're actually going to do is we're going to use what nature has already given us. And I'm going to flip you guys around and show you. This right here is the access road that we've been using this entire time. This is where we've been bringing in boulders, where we've been bringing in rock, all kinds of stuff. Well, the great thing about it is it is already at the exact grade that we want it to be at.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
We're actually going to build this up, this little area that we've kind of dug out from backfilling. We're actually going to bring this back up to normal grade, which is right where that machine's sitting. And we're just going to extend this shelf out a little bit and actually put our wetland filter right here, giving us more distance back from the pond and giving us a more natural entry into the pond itself. So this is going to look normal and natural, and it's going to look like it's always been here. And we're going to use what nature has already given us, which is this shelf, and we're just going to build this up and prep this area right here to give us we're going to get a longer stream out of it. We've got a lot of boulders left over. That's extra gravel right there. We get another 5 bags of extra gravel, and we're going to be able to give our really cool client over there up in that cabin a much cooler waterfall, because this is going to be the only waterfall he's actually going to be able to see. He won't actually be able to see that one over there. We're going to bring this back, prep this area right here, and get a good 20-foot, 25-foot stream and waterfall with about a 2-foot drop elevation change, and gradually slope that back down towards the pond. We got a lot of work ahead of us today, and sorry I haven't been able to, we've just been go. I haven't been able to do a lot of Osmo time with you guys every day, and I do apologize about that. I actually did hurt my back a couple days ago. I think I pulled a muscle, and I've just been running a machine ever since, and that's kind of what we've been doing. This thing is coming out great. Even though it's my birthday today, I wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Hope you guys are having a good day. I'm gonna get back to work. See ya. So Carl, what'd you just do?
2, 3, 4, and I cheated.
2, 3, 4.
2, 3, 4. So I don't understand the geometry behind it. Joe Cisneros from Nature's Waterscapes in California, he would know. But basically all I'm doing is I'm just kind of roughing out the size of the wetland so that I can go ahead and start scraping it. I like to dig like this. I'm gonna scrape on one side, and then I'm gonna kind of kick down on here, kick down on that side over here. Then we're gonna get pitted. We're gonna get totally pitted. We're gonna do the other side right over here, and then we're gonna drop in. And as we drop in, we're gonna get super gnarly. And as we get super gnarly, we get the pitted, it's gonna be so radical.
Sweet.
Totally.
Captain's log, day 75, or what it feels like being day 75. But hey, we are actually at our point right now to where we can get, the camera got off center there. But we got our wetland up right there like you guys saw yesterday. Now you guys can see we're starting to backfill right here for our stream and waterfall. We'll be around, see Carl Petit doing crazy stuff. He's actually over there, got our second wetland system in. You guys can see our liner right there. He's setting up for his waterfall. We got the GoPro set up here, but we got all this backfill in, getting us up to our grade. And then you got Damien over here, 4D Exterior Scapes, acting like a fool.
Yeah! Okay, dancing! It is a primal art form used in ancient times to express yourself with the body.
So we're gonna get this leveled off. That's actually gonna be one of our drops there. We're gonna have another drop somewhere in here, and then it's gonna run right between here and this little valley right there, right out in the pond. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done, and we're gonna start rocking and rolling. See ya. What's up, everybody? Chris Rea here, Aquascapes Michiana. I'm a new GoPro Hero 9, yeah. Well, as you guys can see right here behind me, we got wetland number 1 done by the guys, Steve and Aaron, employees of 4D Exterior Scapes. Came in here while Carl and Damien and I were over there doing all of that grading. Right there, they came in here and made this thing look like a natural type of a spring or pond, not just a box, because that's actually one of the biggest things about wetlands is a lot of people make them look really boxy or square and it doesn't look natural and stuff like that. So these guys came in and roughed up the edges and naturalized everything and got all that done. And then right here, as you guys can see, we got all of our liner out. And tomorrow we're gonna be ready to build some waterfalls, yo! Waterfall going right into that beautiful pond right there that's filling up the water. So stay tuned, see ya. Hey guys, we are back in Indiana. Unfortunately, when we got done with the wetlands, I had to come back because I had to get us ready for our next project, which is the Potawatomi Zoo's giraffe exhibit. I'm really excited to show you guys this one. So until then, let's see this reveal.